We used to travel to nearby bigger cities for better shopping options like buying cars, wedding dress. There is a law which explains why we travel longer distances to get products in economics. The law is Reilly's law of retail's gravitation. In 1931, Reilly developed a law to predict the movement of people and goods between two places. This model is similar to Newton's gravity model as it looks at distance and it looks at size of cities. The larger the city, the more the pull factor. It is similar to gravitational pull of the planets. Reilly's law holds that trade centers draw consumers from neighboring communities in proportion to the trade area's populations, in inverse proportion to the distances between the communities and the trade areas. He expresses this relationship in the following formula. This formula is used between two cities to find the breaking point. One can determine the complete influence area of a city by determining the breaking point between multiple cities. We can interpret that city draw people from neighboring communities in proportion to the city population and in proportion to the distances between communities. He expressed this relationship in the following formula. We can use this formula in finding the catchment area of a city or a region. For example, to determine the catchment of Madurai city. Madurai is major city and it shares boundary with Dindigul, Theni, Sivaganga, Viruthunagar. The diagram shows the distance between the cities. When we use the formula, we can determine the breaking point of Madurai city to know the catchment of it. After calculating the breaking point, we found out that Madurai is a larger city compared to all other cities, so its sphere of influence is greater. We can use the Reilly's law of retail's gravitation in the delineation process and finding the sphere of influence of growth pole, growth centers and growth point.